10 Remedies for Ladies' Bone Strengthening. The human skeleton undergoes continuous renovation, with women's bone strength influenced by hormonal changes, nutrition, and physical activity. 10 science-backed remedies aim to fortify the female skeleton, promoting stability and resilience. 1. Calcium-rich diet. The cornerstone of bone health, calcium is the brick and mortar of our skeletal structure. Women should aim for a diverse calcium intake through dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods. Consider calcium as the concrete that reinforces the steel framework within, which is essential for building and maintaining bone density. 2. Vitamin D Sufficiency. Vitamin D calcium cannot be absorbed effectively without sunlight. This vitamin acts like a key, unlocking the door to calcium entry into bone cells. Regular, safe exposure to sunlight and foods like fatty fish and fortified milk can help maintain adequate vitamin D levels. 3. Regular weight-bearing exercise. Like muscles, bones grow stronger with exercise. Activities that force you to work against gravity, walking, jogging, climbing stairs, are akin to sending your bones to the gym. Over time, these exercises increase bone density and strength. 4. Protein intake. Often unsung in discussions of bone health, protein forms the scaffolding of our bone structure. Ensuring adequate protein within one's diet contributes to bone maintenance and repair, acting much like the workers who continuously reinforce and rebuild the skeleton. 5. Magnesium and Zinc. Minerals like magnesium and zinc play critical roles in bone formation. Magnesium acts as a support beam in bone structure, while zinc is like the nuts and bolts holding the framework together. Seeds, nuts, and whole grains are excellent sources of these minerals. 6. Limiting alcohol and caffeine. Excessive alcohol and caffeine can undermine bone health, acting as corrosives that erode bone density over time. Moderation is essential, as is balancing any intake with bone-building nutrients. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. These anti-inflammatory agents help combat bone loss. Incorporating sources of omega-3s, such as flax seeds and fatty fish, into the diet is akin to applying a protective varnish that shields the bones against external stressors. 8. Maintain a healthy weight. Being underweight can increase the risk of osteoporosis, while excessive weight can strain the skeletal system. Maintaining a balanced weight is like ensuring the correct load distribution across a bridge, preventing structural compromise. 9. Avoid smoking. Smoking accelerates bone loss, much like a termite infestation in a wooden structure, weakening it from the inside out. Eliminating smoking from one's lifestyle protects the integrity of bone material. 10. Collagen supplements. Recent studies suggest that collagen, the protein that provides bones with their flexible framework, can aid in bone strengthening when taken as a supplement, effectively reinforcing the bone matrix from within. Bone fortification improves physical well-being and demonstrates the human body's adaptability, enabling women to build a sturdy frame for life's challenges.